So you'll be pleased to hear that we're able to offer golf lessons again. These are individual golf lessons only, so one-to-one. We'll be following the guidelines from England Golf and the PGA to ensure the safety of all parties. I'm just going to run you through how these lessons look. So our video analysis tool, it allows us to draw lots of lines and bits on there to make it really clear to you what we're talking about and the changes we might be making to help you improve. You'll see here, an example I've got John up on the screen. Might show him how good his posture is from there, from his arms hanging underneath his shoulders, but potentially that he might need a little bit more space between his hands and body. So as you see here, I can be explaining this to him in his lesson notes, and with the lines on the screen and putting them up against the models, it makes it really clear for him to take away. Individual lessons will be able to take place on the driving range or short game areas. Depending on the skill you'd like to improve on, we'll be adapting the setup within that area to stick to the safety guidelines. Here's an example of what a social distance lesson will look like on the driving range. We'll obviously remain 2 metres apart at all times, and we'll be working from the bay next to you. There'll be a TV set up in your bay to allow you a close-up view of your swing analysis, and there'll also be a teaching bag full of training aids should they be required for your lesson. Of course, this equipment will be fully clean between each lesson. Swing analysis, so we won't necessarily be present for this one, but what you'll find is there'll be 2 tripods set up in a bay in the correct position. You take your phone, pop it in the tripod, hit go on the video recording. You'll get 20 balls for this, so use 10 of those to warm up first, maybe a few swings and stretches first too. Then we're going to need to hit 5 shots, and it's going to record 5 shots from the front on view. After you've done this, take your phone out of the tripod, try not to move it too much because it'll be in the right place, and then you're going to do 5 swings from the back view as well, so pop it into the other tripod and hit another 5 balls. Then you can hit stop on your video record, and what we'll do is we'll get you to send that to us. We'll analyse your swing using an online coaching app, and we will send you back a video analysis of your swing on the same day with some key points for you to work on. On-course lessons are a great way for us to get a better understanding of your game as a whole, so we can then focus on what's important for your personal improvement. And as we go around, we'll be keeping a 2 metre distance at all times, and we'll be taking photos and videos as we go to allow for lesson notes to be sent to you on the same day, recapping on all coaching points covered. So lessons available at the moment, we've got the individual lesson, the swing analysis and the on-course session. We'll be keeping 2 metres apart at all times for all of those sessions. Also be cleaning down the equipment and the areas used between every lesson, as well as providing you with the appropriate cleaning equipment and PPE should you wish to do it yourself as well. If you're interested in one of these lessons, please contact us in the shop. Stay safe, and we look forward to seeing you all soon.